5-vehicle collision on Spur Hill Main Road due to oil spill. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A team of firefighters and police had to cut a motorist from one of 5 vehicles that crashed in a section of the Spur Hill Main Road due to an oil spill on Monday. The police said that a team of rescue workers spent several minutes trying to remove the victim, who has since been taken to the hospital for medical treatment. The condition of his injuries remain unknown up to the publication of this report. It is also not clear whether or not other people were injured during the crash. The St. Elizabeth police are asking motorists planning to ply the Spur Hill Main Road to seek different or alternative routes. The thoroughfare has been rendered inaccessible by the police following the significant oil spill. The head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, Deputy Superintendent of Police Coleridge Minter, has reported multiple vehicular mishaps tied to the oil spill, which has also required one individual being extricated from one of the vehicles by emergency response teams.
There's a current oil spill along the Spur Main Road. As a result of this oil spill, several vehicles have met in accidents at various sections along the road. As a result, the police have blocked off the road, and so the road is now impassable. We're asking motorists to use alternate routes and to expect significant delays until the fire people would have cleaned this roadway as well as would have cleared the roadway. As it is now, there is one member who is now trapped in the vehicle and is now being rescued by the personnel on the scene from the fire department and the police.
He implores drivers to remain calm and composed during the cleanup efforts by authorities, suggesting that the use of substitute routes for the interim is very necessary.
When they say, Mr. Lai, when the man said, give me the money, Mr. Lai said, I had the gun, and the man said, Mr. Lai said, all right. And Mr. Lai, I go down now for the money. Like I say, what you say, John? And the man look around. I go to you, I chicken, and the man look around. The man, like I say, what you say, John?
But I got to need, you need just that little,
yes,
one little piece there. I tell a man, say, no, I'm a match, you know.
Mr. Smith, them are washing, them are washing.
I'm taking you them, man.
How are you? What, boss? I'm on the
Oh, special ed. No, just around now because they move up already and go carry them. Some big room. No man. There are so much people from officer then so long with you. So officer don't do that, sir. Look for me old students. Sick.
One of the youth they pass someone they shoot up a white guy.
Yeah.
One of the youth with them, the youth with kid and that.
That's how pretty.
That's seven brother.
Pretty I get them style. That's how pretty. Let me tell you what I'm doing. The students coming over the hill en masse. All of them look like I come over the hill for the time. They have to wash the road.
You're like the fire truck. You're like the fire truck will come. You're there? And then you're the fire truck in the distance. Because one bus, they don't all like post officer and policeman in there. Mr. Minto, superintendent in charge of St. Elizabeth, see him there. See bus here. It go to high, let me know which vehicle go down. And the fire truck, he must know where I go. And the fire truck a come, he must know where I go. He must know what to do.
No, if the road island can't come.
But they must tell him some up this already, say that. So he must stop. Oh, go on. Yeah, man. I'm on the go. Yeah, man. I'm not sure. Take him out there. Can hear the fire truck come in the distance. So people, stay tuned for the rest of it.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.